Hi students, those who are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it here. So let us learn some interesting problems on integrations today. So listen, now the numerical is integration of x to the power of 6 into sine 5 x to 7. Listen, so this sum can be solved with the help of integration by substitution process. So whatever the sums we are solving now here, I will not integrate completely here. Partially I will integrate, then the entire answer can be guessed very easily. Listen, so in this case t should be what here. So whenever the algebraic functions come here, especially x to the power of n, t always goes to the higher power of x here. T equal to, let me take here 5 times of x raised to what here 7. T equal to 5 times of x to the power of 7. Then dt is what here, so 7 5 is 35 times of x raised to 6. So then the answer is 1 by 35 times of dt is equal to x raised to 6. In the question he has asked only the constant value, so k by 5 is what here, so the coefficient of the integration here. Listen, so already I have got the coefficient. What is my coefficient here? 1 by 35. Now k by 5 is equal to definitely 1 by 35. To get 35 here, so this is what is the value of k here? So k should be what here? 1 by 7. Then only 7 5 is 35. But listen, don't be in a rush to go with option number D, because here the function is what here? Sine. After being integrated here, the integration of sine should be what here? Minus cos. Definitely k will take the negative value. Hence the k value is what here? Minus 1 by 7. Definitely option number B is what here? Correct. Hope you understood. So now let you go for the next question here. Listen, what is the next question here? See the next question. Okay. Listen. So 1 by x into log x to the power of 99. Partially you can solve it here. Partially the entire answer can be so say very easily. Listen, so x log x, whenever x and log comes here, always t should be goes for what here? Log x, because derivative of log is what here? 1 by x. So then dt is equal to what here? I am saying here 1 by x dx, right? If t is equal to log, if I take t is equal to log, it will be 1 by t raised to 99. So then what is, so t raised to minus 99 integration? It is t raised to minus 99 integration is what here? T raised to minus 98. So whole divided by minus 98. Okay, if minus 98 comes, so in the denominator here, t raised to plus 98. Check in the option. So which option has the t raised to 98 at the denominator? Nothing but t, nothing but what here? Log x. Log x to the power of 98. Option is there only in option number A. Hence option number A is correct. So now let me go for one more question here. Listen, integration of x into e raised to x square here. Again this sum can be solved with the help of integration by substitution here. X e raised to x square. So whenever e raised to function comes, so that part should be always taken as what here? T, e raised to some composite function here. T equal to what here? X square. T equal to x square. Then dt is equal to what here? 2x dx. Okay, already have x here. Then coefficient only taken at the denominator here. Dt by 2 is equal to what here? X dx. Check here what the coefficient here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the coefficient in the answer. So check in the option here, which option has 1 by 2 as a coefficient? So option number A, only option number A has the coefficient of 1 by 2 to the answer. So now let me go with one more question here. Listen. Okay. Listen. Integration of sin of x whole cube into root 1 minus x square. Listen, sin inverse of x into root 1 minus x square. So then what is the t here? T is equal to definitely sin inverse of x. Okay, if t is equal to sin inverse, then dt is equal to what here? 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. So not of writing this guy here. So if this guy is I am taking as what here? T. So sin inverse of x, it becomes what here? 1 by t cube. 1 by t cube means what here? Integration of t raised to minus 3. T raised to minus 3 answer definitely in the negative. So t raised to minus 3 negative. Check in the option. Which option has a negative in it here? So definitely option number A. So many of the question can be solved so with this method here. Only a part you can solve, rest of the answer can be assured very easily. Hope these many tricks have been understood for you. Bye. Happy learning.